This is another promise made and another promise kept.
Not breaking any promises, the UCP announcing changes to the Alberta curriculum. It does away with discovery math and constructivism and what they say is bias in social studies material.
And replacing it with one that focuses on teaching essential knowledge to help students develop foundational competencies.
But what does the education minister mean by bias?
An actual assessment where their child had to pick the correct answer, and the correct answer was contrary to, actually the truth of what is out there in terms of our environmental studies.
It was an attempt to distract, and a bad one at that.
And its implementation isn't going ahead as scheduled either. A pilot project for kindergarten to grade 4 was initially planned for this year. Now that's been pushed to next fall and will include grades 5 and 6.
Which was the only saving grace of this entire announcement, is that teachers and students and parents have a reprieve from the nonsense that this government's putting forward.
But if it's not going ahead as scheduled, for student advocates, it begs the question, why make the announcement now, especially as students are planning to head back to the classroom as COVID-19 remains a threat?
This is not the time to be talking about a new curriculum. This is not the time to be talking about standardized tests. Teachers are stressed. Teachers are overwhelmed with the idea of playing a healthcare provider. I think it's a manufactured crisis. The repeated and vacuous statements around literacy, numeracy, and comprehension, as though Alberta's children don't excel in these areas already on a national and international scale.
The curriculum isn't available yet. It will be in the hands of parents by this fall, according to LaGrange, and publicly available by early next year. In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.